Listen here, Dakana. Find the area of the below figure where AB is parallel to CD. They have given clue here. AB is parallel to CD. So you can find out the name of the figure. What is the name of the figure? Here you see, a trapezoid is a four-sided flat shape with one pair of opposite parallel sides. So what is the name of the figure? Trapezoid. So if you know the name of the figure, then automatically you can write the formula to find out the area of the trapezoid. Area of the trapezoid is nothing but A plus B by 2 into H. Half, otherwise you can write like this. Half into H into A plus B. Half of the height is multiplied with sum of the parallel sides. You can write like this also. Half into A plus B into H. So any one of the way, just choose it and do the problem. What is A here? A equal to 20. B equal to 25 centimeter. Then what about the height? Do you know the height? No. You should know the height here, isn't it? So, you don't know the height. How you can find out the height? They have said that these two sides are parallel. So, when you are drawing a perpendicular, this is a perpendicular line. So, 25 centimeter, DC is 25 centimeter. Suppose when you are drawing a perpendicular, just you mark it as E. What is DE? DE is 20. DE is 20. A is nothing but AB. B is nothing but DC. Now you want to find out BE. This is what type of triangle? Right angled triangle. Now the full length is 25. DC is 25 centimeter. DE is 20. You want to find out EC. EC is equal to DC minus DE. You see, DD is there, then CE you are getting, isn't it? Just common. So, DC minus DE. DC is what? DC is 25 centimeter. What is DE? 20 centimeter. So, EC is 5 centimeter. This is what? 5 centimeter. This is a right angled triangle, isn't it? You have studied about Pythagorean triplet, isn't it? So, this is hypotenuse and other two sides. So, the square, Pythagoras theorem, isn't it? In a right angle triangle, the square on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares on the other two sides. If you don't know the theorem also, just you remember the word Pythagorean triplet. It is a right angled triangle. So, for this what you have to do is, how to form a Pythagorean triplet. If the number is odd, here both are odd only, but you take 5. The lesser number it is better to take. What they have given? If the number is odd, square the number n and then divide it by 2. So 5 square. 5 square is what? 25. Divide it by 2. What will you get? 12.5, isn't it? This also how you can write. 24. 24 is 12. Then 1. 1 is 0.5. So 12.5. But what they have said? 5, comma, 12.5 minus 0.5, comma, 12.5 plus 0.5. That means what? 5, comma, 12.5 minus 0.5 is 12. 12.5 plus 0.5 is 13. So, what is the height you are getting here? 12 centimeter. Do you follow? So, if you want, suppose if you don't know this formula, another method also you can form. What is it? Hypotenuse square is equal to, that is 13 square is equal to root of 5 square plus BE square. Isn't it? Do you follow? Otherwise, you can write like this also. If you know the theorem, then very well you can write. That is, BE square is equal to root of hypotenuse square minus, what is it? EC square. EC is nothing but what? 5 square. So, root of 169 minus 25, that is root of 144, that is equal to 12 centimeter. Do you follow? Either you can do this or this. Do you follow or not? Hypotenuse square minus one side, square of another side. You want to find this side, isn't it? So, root of 169 minus 25. So, you can use this method or this method. If you use any one of this, it is enough. But for verification, you can do it. To learn only, just I am explaining all these things in detail. Because all the students, you may not know both the methods. But commonly you are using this, isn't it? Pythagoras theorem. But a triplet also you can use it, because to answer in a word, choose the correct answer for the competitive exams, you should be able to do it fast. So better to do this. So height you know. Now will you be able to do the area? So area equal to half into height. What is height here? 12. 12 into A plus B. What is A? 20. What is B? 25. So 1, 2 is 2, 6 2s are 12. So 6 into 20 plus 25 is what? 45. So 6 into 45. What is it? 6 5s are 30. Remainder 3. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 3, 27. So 270 square centimeter, otherwise centimeter square. Do you follow? 270 square centimeter or centimeter square. Do you follow? So by using this formula, you can do it like this. Otherwise, area of the rectangle plus area of the triangle. Area of the rectangle plus area of the triangle. Area of the rectangle is nothing but what? L into B. L into B. What is length here? 20. 20 into, what is breadth here? If it is 12, then this is also what? 12. So 20 into 12. What is it? 240. 240 centimeter square. Area of the rectangle. Next, what? Area of a triangle. Area of the triangle is nothing but half BH. So, half into base into height. What is base? 5. Into what is height? 12. So 1 2 is 2, 6 2s are 12. 6 5s are 30 centimeter square. So now you add it. Area of the rectangle plus area of the triangle. Area of the triangle is nothing but half BH, because this is what? Right angled triangle, isn't it? So 240 plus 30 gives you 270 centimeter square. So, if you don't know the formula for trapezoid also, very well you can do it like this, because these are the base formulas. Every student, each one of you, you know the area of the triangle formula and area of the rectangle. So you choose any one of the method. Understand? Suppose if you do it fast, if you want to do it fast, like 1 mark, what you have to do it, listen. By Pythagorean triplet, what I am going to do is, this is 5, isn't it? So 25. So 25 by 2 is 12.5. So reduce 0.5 and add it to 0.5. So 13 is already there. So reduce 0.5 is 12. Isn't it? So area of the rectangle, length into breadth, that is 12 into 20, that is 240. Then half BH. So half into 5 into 12, that is 30, 240 plus 30. Here also the same thing. So what is it? A plus B. A plus B is nothing but what? 20 plus 25. 20 plus 25 is 45. Next what? Half of the height. What is height? 12. So half of the height is 6. So 6 into 45, 270. So by mentally you can calculate. And it won't take more than a minute or not. Very well. If you know the formula, if you know the Alichter method, then very well you can do it. Is it okay, my dear?